To add a transition to your video, I've got these two videos that I had to do two parts for it. And so here's where it breaks up. And it's supposed to be very simple. You can just right click on it and it says apply insufficient media. So what I heard is that you make this one a little bit shorter. It's actually, let me see the time frame, how many seconds am I cutting off? Oh, okay, so there it says minus 13 seconds. But actually I am talking, because you could do that, let's say if it's like a background, right? If it's just a background going into another one, or if you left some silence in the video at the end, you could do this where you cut it out. But I did not do that. I actually am speaking. So let me apply this one. Let's do dissolve. I think I can apply it there, or let me see. Maybe if what happened? Let's see. And tokens, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Quick update. So I was looking at the recent dashboard, and yeah, it's very cool. You can see the emails that were sent. So it's not working out. But each form is going to receive. But the one thing is you can zoom in here. So maybe I can cut less of it. There you go, 1 second. And that's 2 seconds. There's, it says I'm adding. So let me see. And then I can move it here. And now if I do apply default transition. Secrets and IDs and tokens and quick update. So I was looking at the recent dashboard and tokens to receive. But I hope you found this video helpful. It was super helpful for me. We figured it out here. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna recreate those. You know, in this case, I might just use iMovie because this is turning out real hard. In iMovie, you can just apply a transition between two videos. And this one is just being quite complicated. Well, let me see. I don't want to quit. So it says just got off 1.5 seconds. So that's what I'm doing. But I'm not exactly. How can I zoom in here? Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, so there is a cross dissolve right there. Quick update. And quick update. So I was looking at the recent dashboard, and here's how to send transactional emails with... Well, it's actually a very long video. 16 minutes, so let me see. here we go. But I hope you found this video helpful. It was super helpful for me. We figured it out here. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna watching iMovie. You can just do it, create video. So here's how to cut or how to add a transition between two clips in iMovie. And you go to transitions, you can do dissolve. Right, it adds it between, so it doesn't need to
we
cut
all have
it.
to use
I believe that's
use the route file in there, so you don't actually type the file, you just type in the folder name, and that's how you can differentiate all your forms. And mainly the only reason why I do that is because each one has different information in there, so it has to be specified what each form is going to receive.
so the video should end.
But I hope you found this video helpful. It was super helpful for me. We figured it out here. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna recreate those keys, secrets, and IDs and tokens. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Quick update. So I was looking at the recent dashboard.
So much easier in iMovie than in Premiere Pro. So if you just want to add some quick transitions between your videos and the video itself doesn't need any editing, or such as blurring out information, blurring out faces, or maybe even more advanced transitions, if you just want a simple transition, I think iMovie is the best solution for that.